Okay, hi guys, this is Michael Mmbabao and Mmbabao. This is how we do it. So how to fix the Rubik's Cube. So first that you need to do is you need to fix this, assemble this first color here. While fixing this, you need to make sure that these three colors here, 1 2 3, and the other side should be also the same, all pink, all yellow, all orange, all white. And I think that's an easy part. So next is you need to put this one color, and you need to put this like here, yeah, white and white, orange and orange, yellow yellow, pink pink. So this is the second part that we need to do. So how can we put the color here with the other color here? So we need to find first the pink. So this is the pink and this is the white, so it goes here, and the pink goes here. So let's remove this guy here, and I have this paper here that you can also write it on your notebook. So here, pink goes here and the other one is here. So here's the guide, here's the front. So this represents that you should go there. Front only here, back is here. Okay, so one move, one up, one side, one down, one side, go up, go side, go down, and voila, here you go. And if ever that the color is here, like let's make an example, like the yellow and the orange. The yellow orange is, yeah, here, like green, yeah, like here, pink and the yellow. So the pink and the yellow. So how can we remove this? Simple, let's just do this thing. So let's do this thing, up, side, down, side, up, side, and turn, and voila. What was that color again? The pink and the pink and the yellow. So how can we put this here? Let's simply apply this one. So here, up, side, down, side, up, side, and let's turn it back again, and voila. So let's forward this a little bit. Yeah, okay, there's the freaking orange here. Wow. Okay, okay, so here are the guides. Okay, so once you finish this part, you need to look up here. Okay, so let's do this thing. So this may consider as this one, so let's do this part. So let's go. Okay, so one line there, so let's do this part. Up, side, down, side, up, double side, and double side, and down. Okay, looks like we got this one. So let's do this, and side, front, up, to side, and down. Let's go back. Okay, it's almost finished, so we're here. Okay, So the tank thing here. So let's do this part. Up, side, down, side, up, double, double, and down, and voila. So we have this fish here, okay? So remember that the fish head is gonna be here on the left side. So let's change this one. So remember that this is the image. So let's do this part. So it's gonna do up, side, down, side, up, side, side, and down. So it's on the other side. So let's put this here again until we get the full color. So let's do down, side, up, double, double, and down, and voila, we're almost there. Okay, so we're here. Okay, which we're here. Okay, so there's this 1 2 3. So here's what we're going to do. Where there's this 1 2 3, and there's a whole white here. This is gonna be on the back. This is gonna be at the back. 2 1 2, side, down, down, up, 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 and up, side, and turn. Looks like we still haven't done anything, but we should do this again. 1 2 3, down, down, 1 2, up, up, side, and voila, it's that easy. So that's the thing that you need to do, and you can also write this on your notebook. So if ever that you're going to face this one, there's a 4 colors here. Like for example, I'm gonna make something like this. Okay, I'm just gonna mess this up for just an example. So if ever that we're going to make this, we have this situation. Here's what we're going to do. Okay, see here, it's on the left, but here we're going to the right. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to go whatever color you want. So let's go do this. 1 2, go to the right, down, down, 1 2, and up, up, and to the right again, and 1 2. So we're here. We're just back to the 1 2 3 start. So again with this one, 1 2 3, down, down, 1 2, up, up, side, and 1 2, and we still haven't done anything. Let's speed this thing up, and voila. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to show you a video here again. Wait. So this is just an example. If ever that you already done this part and fix this part, and you still want to make it like this, I mean this one, the 1 2 3 part, and you're stuck on this freaking color and you don't know what to do, all you need to do is just to find a 2 color here like this and place this at the back. Okay, so let's do this part to get this part. So let's do this. Another one. Remember that this 2, okay? Okay. So 1, right, down, back, 1 2, and up, go to the side, go down and back again, 1 and 2 and up and up. Okay, looks like we're almost there. So that's the sometimes we will face this kind of situation that we need to deal and to apply. So when you have this part, just simply apply this one. I think you already seen this in the first clip. 1 2 1 down down, 1 2 and up up and applicanage. See? Okay, so that's simple. So just simply follow my drawings here. So first is this one, second part is this one, third part is this one, and second to the last is this one. And if ever that happens, like you're stuck on how to solve this because you have this part on your at your back or something like this, nothing, you need to do this to get this. Okay, so that's how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Hope you can do that by your own, and hope that this video will help you to solve your problem on how to play the Rubik's Cube. So hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. This is how we do it.